Thank you.
Thank you.
And now I'm going to move on to the next guest here. It's Wendy Heijne from Studio Heijne, and she's with us here in the studio. Hello, Wendy.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks.
Excellent. You have worked together with Jennifer Dutton and Erika Bijleveen from Fashion Factory in this Big Do process. And I'd like to ask you, why is it so important with innovation when it comes to sustainability?
So when you talk about innovation and sustainability, there has been a lot of focus on the materials. There's also been a lot of focus on new business ideas, for example, rental or remake, but there hasn't been so much focus yet on this big elephant in the room, which is actual production of garments. And the current production process, which is mass production, is polluting so much. It's so much waste coming from the system while producing, but also because we are overproducing a lot of garments no one wants. So this has to change, of course. And to change this, we need new ideas, new techniques, and that's innovation. So that's what we've been up to with our Big Do project.
And look at this. I mean, tell us about how does this relate to the innovation process here?
Yeah. So our focus has been on this concept of Factory X, which Jonas already talked about before. Flexible production on demand, no waste, and automatization. And this is our last prototype, our latest. I would say it's not our last because we are not there yet, but we will. So it looks maybe not so special if you look at it, but it is actually because we have produced it in a way. We connected two machines, one color machine and one knitwear machines, and these are not designed to be connected. So it's like a hack. And then we knitted this garment, and it's actually knitted of one thread only. And that's a special
thing. It's gorgeous.
It's one thread which is colored.
Kind of small, but gorgeous.
Yeah, and that is the special thing about it, that you, with this method, you can have like endless patterns and prints with using only one thread and without any waste.
So, Wendy, when it comes to innovation, what is required to really make innovation in this field happen?
So I think there are three keys. There is the two resources, which is time and money, which are important. And then you have the third one, which is actually a fantastic team with creative, open-minded people. And they need to come from different backgrounds and have different expertise. And then you can make innovation happen.
So Wendy, you participated obviously in the Big Do. What made you participate?
So my business, Studio Heijne, is a fashion brand, which is already...
And you're wearing one of your pieces.
Yes, thank you.
And it's absolutely stunning.
Thank you. I'm already working with customization, production on demand, flexible production. So this fits very good in our concept of the Factory X. So for me, it was very interesting to investigate new ways of working with this and open up for new ideas and take this further. And actually, my vision with this project is that in the end, I could have a machine in my store, which a customer can come and they can customize their knitwear in different colors, endlessly colors, and then we can just with one push on the button, we can print out this knitted dress.
Wonderful. I'll order one of those, a little bit bigger, larger though, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Well, thank you so much, Wendy, for sharing your what happened in the Big Do and your process, and we'll keep tabs on you and see what happens further along.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks so much. And now